Hello, my water lemons. Today I'll be teaching you 5-digit divided by 3-digit. It is 13,579 divided by 268. First, we think 268 times what equals 1? 0. Because 268 times 0 is 0. So that's closest to 1. And then we have 13. But 13 is smaller than 268, so we write 0 at the top too. And then 135, that is smaller than 268 too, so then we write a 0. And then 1,357, it is larger than 268, so we estimate which number can times 268 to become 1,000, not become, but close to 1,357. I'm going to guess 5. 268 times 5. $268 times 5 is 1,340. Sorry. So we write the 5 above the 7, and then we write 1,340 at the bottom. I'm going to make this smaller. Oops. And then we put it over here as source. And then we subtract it, but just don't think of the 9 because we're not there yet. So 7 minus 0 equals 7. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Then 1 minus 1 equals 0. Then it says 17. So then we bring that 9 down here. And then how much? 268 times what equals 268 times what, or close to, 268 times what is, or closer to 179. I finally made that sentence make sense. So 179 is smaller than 268, so we write a 0 next to the 5 at the top. So then the answer is 50, remainder 179. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.